So turn music. Why am I listening? I never listen to this type of music, but now when I'm filming this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a big try on haul in collaboration with gfr.se, so thank you so much for collaborating with me on this video. This is actually my first sit down filmed video with my big camera since over half a year, for half a year probably. I haven't actually sat down and filmed a video with this camera since I got back from my backpacking trip. I still have more videos from my backpacking trip to upload, like my Europe vlogs, so look forward to those. But I'm really happy to be back and I'm so excited to be filming this video. I'm also going to be filming another video after this, and I've also got some other videos that I filmed before going on my backpacking trip that I still need to edit and upload, so there's lots of content coming your way, and I promise I'm going to be better at uploading now because I have had a summer job. I'll do a whole separate video on like life update and like how the trip was and stuff like that, but yeah, I have had a summer job all summer since I got back, so that's why I've been kind of MIA on YouTube. But yeah, let's start off. Also, I did just remove my tapestry back there, if you can tell, and I put up some fairy lights and hung this little garland. So if you're wondering why it looks different, that's why it looks different. I did that literally 5 seconds ago. So the first thing I want to show you is this bodysuit. Also, I do have a 20% coupon code, which is Rebecca20, and all of the links to every item will be in the description box, so check that out if you find anything you like. But yeah, the first thing I got is this bodysuit in lilac. They have it in so many different colours, but I just absolutely love this colour. The only thing is that it's really short. I don't know if I've got like a long torso or something, but it's short on me, so I've had to just like tuck it in my trousers, and it's got these cutouts here, which I think is super cool. So this top would be really nice, or this bodysuit would be really nice on a night out. I also got these earrings from gfr.se. I really love them. They're really cute and trendy right now. Yeah, this is going to be quite a trendy haul because they have very trendy pieces. Next thing we have is this like mermaid blue mesh top or see-through top. I don't really know what it's called, and it's got these little frills on the arms and in the neckline. It's just a really lovely shade of blue, and I did like a blue makeup look. Shit, my nails are falling off. Love that. I need to cut them. That was gross. I just threw that across my room. I'm gonna hoover my room soon, guys. But yeah, really cute. I did an Instagram post on this, so I can insert the picture here, or if you're following me on Instagram you will have seen it, so yeah, follow me on Instagram. really love it. I'm so into wearing colours. I just think it's more fun and interesting. It's just love that with a cute bralette under. I also have another see-through top, but this one is with angels on, and it reminds me of, there is like a really famous top, or not famous top, but all the Instagram, everyone on Instagram has it. I don't know where it's from, if it's from like Urban Outfitters. It's a similar top to that anyway. It's got a high neck and it's got angels all over it. Next up I got this top, which is white with like bell sleeves, and it's got a tie thing at the front, so it looks like a little bit scrunchy. I don't know if you can tie this yourself. I think you can. Flowy at the bottom, and it's a v-neck. Just a really nice, cute, go have brunch with your friends top kind of thing. Next up I have this super cute dress. Take a shot each time I say cute. No, please don't. You would be dead by now. I'll show you easier how it looks on, but the only thing with this dress is that it is quite see-through, so you need to be careful with what you wear underneath. And also it is quite tight. I got it in a small, I think, and I'm very short and it's a good length on me. Next up we have this super hot body in neon. I actually love the neon trend now. I remember when it came I was like, oh, what's this? But I think it's cute. It's hot pink and it's got like a little bit of mesh detail and some lace. It's just really nice. Next up I have this, guys. I haven't tried it on yet. I'm scared. I really hope it will fit because it is adorable. It's a silky mini dress that looks like this. It's quite short. It's very strappy at the back, It's in this kind of silvery grey material, but the back looks like a nuisance to tie up. I think it will be really, really cute. So this is in a UK 6. Last but not least, we have, ta-da! Yes, of course I had to try these out. I got them in a small, and they are, as you can see, glowing in the dark, or what's it called, reflex pants with the little muffs at the bottom, cinches at the waist. You can hear them. Perfect for walking your dog on a dark autumn night when you want to be seen by the cars. Safety first, guys. Always make sure you're seen in the dark. No, joking. I mean, I could use it for that. That would be good because I do live in the middle of the woods. Like, there's no lights out here. It's pitch black outside my window right now. I did a poll on Instagram, like, should I take a nap or film now when I've got good lighting? Everyone said I should film now, but what did I do? I was lying in my bed watching YouTube videos. Didn't take a nap because I was like, no, I'm not going to take a nap. But instead I took down my tapestry, I redid it. So you could say I was half productive, but now I'm having to use my ring light. But anyway, who cares? My ring light has good lighting. But no, I was thinking these for the club would be so cool. I just don't know if I dare. I mean, I probably would because I don't really give a shit. But the only thing is, the material of this is so sweaty. Like, but I mean, you don't really care about that when you've had a few drinks. If you get what I mean. Now I just got to go try those on. I just want to say thank you to everyone sticking with me on my channel. I know I haven't been posting regularly like I want to, but please stay with me. I want to carry on with YouTube. No, I'm not quitting YouTube. I really would love your requests on what to do now, because I feel like I'm kind of getting tired of the whole morning routine, night routine, because like everyone does it and they're all the same. But I mean, if that is what you want to see, I can do a few. I just think there's other content that I would rather put out, but I just don't know what you guys are interested in. So please let me know. It can be anything. I'm open to new things. Do you like the way I did my makeup today? I made it purple to match my bodysuit. I really, really love the colour of this. It's adorable. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and follow my socials, because I post on Instagram more often than I post on here, to say the least. And there you can take part in polls and important stuff like that. But I will see you in my next video. Comment down below what was your favourite thing out of this and what you think will be the big trend for autumn time. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!